Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Insider. In this video, I will show you what is inside Bluetooth earbuds.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink.
Alright, first we will look at the outside switch box. Here we have the power button and behind we have the slot for charging. You need to charge this device by using USB cable at this end. First I will remove this silver color sleeve in the bottom of the earbud. Right now I'm going to remove the housing of this one. Here we have the battery of this earbud together with the speaker here. So this is the speaker and this is the battery. Right now I'm going to cut these two wires using a scissor in order to get this main circuit outside. First I will cut the battery and then I will cut the speaker. So this is the main circuit of this Bluetooth earbud, which receives the Bluetooth signal from your computer or mobile phone near the Bluetooth device. So next we will see what is inside this charging box. First I will remove this plastic case. Here we have the battery of this charging box and the main circuit. Alright, now we also what's inside Bluetooth earbuds, and that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you all with another insider video. Thank you very much.
Catch 'em all.